I found an AI tool that scriptwrites YouTube videos in literally 10 minutes, and I will show you how to use this tool to go from having no clue what the niche is to having a completely written script by the end of it. And to make this a little bit more interesting, I'm gonna pick a completely random niche that I have no idea about and try to write a script of it using this AI. So here I have a wheel of names consisting of all of these different educational niches, and I'm just gonna press the button and see what it comes up with. Okay, bang, affiliate marketing. So I'm gonna pick a channel within the affiliate marketing niche and come up with a video idea for it and use the AI to write the script with it. So the AI tool that I'm using is called Subscriber AI. It's basically an AI powered YouTube scriptwriting tool. It helps you with the ideation, writing hooks, scripting out the video, and then eventually editing the video until you have a final masterpiece. So my first step is to go into the ideation chatbot and look for a channel in affiliate marketing that I can write a script for. So you can see over here, I asked it to find me the top 10 channels in the affiliate marketing niche, and the ideation bot immediately spits out 10 potential affiliate marketing channels that I can write scripts for. So I want to write a script for a random channel, and I want to be able to write in their voice because I'm a YouTube scriptwriter. So what I'll do, I just want to pick one of these channels. Let's say I am writing scripts for this guy, Robert Horvath. Here you can see all of his videos on this channel, like lazy money making trick for beginners, right? Landing page, affiliate marketing. Okay, this guy is perfect for making a video on affiliate marketing for. So what I'll do to be able to write in his specific voice, and you can literally do this with any channel. You can do this for one of your own channels. Here you can go to channels, click on add your channel, and here you can add an existing channel that's already out there. So here I want to say I want to write for Robert Horvath. I can literally take his ad. So let me just make sure I get his ad correct. So I can literally take his ad, the Robert Horvath, put it in here, add a channel, add YouTube channel, and Subscriber AI will immediately, you can see, spit out an audience profile. So it's aspiring online entrepreneur, right? There's certain demographics, the male, income range, psychographics, offline behavior, and certain key questions about affiliate marketing. So if this is for your own channel, you can use this to create content with it. So once you have the audience, you can edit the avatar if it's not accurate, but let's just say it's accurate. Here you can go into the voice and fine tune the voice. So if you are writing a script for yourself in your own voice, you want to be a lot more particular about the voice. Here you can edit the voice, and you can go here, edit voice, and you can see the simple mode, you can give feedback on the voice, or you can go into the advanced mode and you can immediately fine tune the voice based on all of this. Because it's just a random channel that I'm writing for, I'm just going to assume that the voice is good, and then I can immediately go to scripts and let's start writing the script. But before we get into writing the script, there's one crucial step that we absolutely cannot miss, and that is finding a video idea for Robert Horvath that I can write for. So if I click here and say get content ideas, here it will immediately say give me 5 video ideas for my channel perfectly aligned to my target audience and based on outlier YouTube video formats in my niche. So let's click here, and immediately Subscriber AI will come up with a bunch of potential video ideas. So if you have no video idea, it will immediately suggest you a bunch of ideas. AI traffic hack, free money for beginners. TikTok cash loop exposed, right? $0 or $100 a day. Pinterest payday, set up once, get paid daily. Auto money blueprint to let AI build your income. This affiliate mistake is stealing your sales. Shocking affiliate mistakes that's killing results. So all these video ideas hit. Right, next steps I can help with. So let's say we want to make a video around this affiliate mistake is stealing your sales. So I can just go here. Once again, this is a totally random idea. And here, I want you to analyze the video idea potential of this and generate title variants for this. So here, it can immediately give you a diagnosis for why this will work for your audience, right? High curiosity plus pain point. It's a proven format. It's search intent, right? The thumbnail, intro, or hook, right? In the pacing, right? You can see over here. I want you to come up with a step-by-step outline for this video on the affiliate mistake that the viewer could be making. Here, you see a hook, relatable story, and you reveal the mistake, the impact, fix the walkthrough, results approved, rapid fire bonus tips, call to action, and payoff. Okay, so one of the things that I want to do right now is instead of just going out and doing my own research and manually researching where there's a gap in terms of the content, I can actually talk to the YouTube videos talking about affiliate mistakes, gather all of their research, and then use that as fuel for this specific video. So I can say I want to find the content gap in the videos talking about affiliate mistakes that are made. Can you find 3 of the top outlier videos on affiliate mistakes, take their content and find the gap for me. Let's see. And immediately this chat will, use the video search and it'll stop talking to those videos and help you find a content gap there. So let's wait for it to load. So here you can see it immediately finds content gaps that you can target, right? Affiliate specific mistakes with live proof, right? Broken tracking, raw versus cloaked links, banned offers, link expiration, etc. All these are potential points, right? Modern threats and platform traps, covering new issues like social platform shadow banning, AI content detection flagging, missing disclosures, deceptive landing page block listing, right? I don't know what half of this means, but we'll be able to make do with what we have, right? Step-by-step fixes and real storytelling. Build entire video around the story. Then I made $500 a week and I lost it all due to blah blah blah. And every mistake set with a specific practical fix, add a strong call to action, right? Subtitle: the hidden affiliate mistakes no one talks about. Okay, so based on these content gaps, can you write an outline for this script for me? I want to have, let's say, 5 mistakes that I cover in the video. So immediately you can see, right, it analyzes the content gaps on YouTube and then it helps create an outline for this, right? Open with direct high pain mistakes, right? Your affiliate links are getting shadow banned, right? Secretly shadow ban block affiliate links, show it failing to load, right? Mistake number 2, tracking errors to steal your commissions, right? So that's not a big mistake, right? Missing parameters from pixel setup, link shorteners that don't pass info, results in lost sales and no credit. Right, show live proof. Right, mistake number 3, promoting dead or expired offers. Right, offers closed, get paused or change terms. All links equals wasted traffic, lost commissions, and trust issues. Right, AI and platform detection flags your content. Platforms using AI flag or downrank affiliate style content seem to spammy, even if you're compliant. Right, weak or missing disclosures, platform penalties. Right, not clearly disclosing affiliate links get you shadow banned or even booted. Right, so and then there's a recap and payoff. So you can see over here, right, like these points seem super solid to me. Right. I don't fully understand what all these means, but because we can feed AI all the research that we need and it's able to analyze the current winning content and find content gaps, that's how we come up with something like this. So once we have the video idea and once we have a rough outline, I know, okay, what the video will look like. I can click here to save idea and I click here and immediately, right, I can save the script idea, right, addresses the 5 critical affiliate marketing mistakes that's silently destroying, right, problem solution oriented, target audience is this, 5 because it's covered all of this. So it just summarizes all of it that it will then put into the script writing workflow, which I will show you right now. So let's click save script idea and let's just start scripting the video. So over here, it transports everything, the video topic here, educational. Say I want to change the target length, I want to make it a little bit longer to around 2,500 words. I have the video title here. Over here, it has the audience that it took from me inputting the channel and just analyzes all of the videos. Here, language English, you can change up the voice, but let's say we want to write the voice here, script number, and we go bam, complete setup and start writing the script. And here we go to the first step, which is research, right? So here you can immediately add, you can search the web, you can add certain links, you can add certain videos, you can add documents, add start. Here, let's just search the web, right? Let's say I don't have any YouTube videos, right? Impact of shadow banned affiliates on social media, bang, right? I can search this and immediately it'll come up with articles that I can use in my specific research, right? So just add this, right, by Neil Patel. It's pretty good. Okay, go over here. Well, let's search the web. Let's see if there's anything else that I might want to look at. Common tracking errors in affiliate marketing. So tracking errors is also a big one. So let's see if there's any blogs, articles that I can use. 7 common mistakes that every affiliate marketer needs to avoid. Let's add that. 10 mistakes you must avoid in 2024. Let's go back here and let's see if there's any other articles that I want to add. AI content detection or FTC disclosure, case studies, current trends in affiliate marketing compliance, how to identify expired offers. That was one of the main points. So let's add the research here. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, affiliate fraud. I think that's kind of in line with this. So let's just add that. Okay, bang. So let's just say that's all of the research that we want. Obviously, if you will spend a little more time, if you have your own research, you have your own content that you want to feed the AI, you can immediately give it that. But let's just say you're just trying to browse the web for research, you can just do this and you can immediately go to the next step, which is the frame. And the frame is basically looking at the general structure that the viewer will consume your content. There are, winning video structures like problem, solution, proof, right? You can look at case studies, you can look at systems thinking, and let's see here, right? Problem, solution, proof, right? Exposing the invisible shadow ban, how your affiliate links are being suppressed without you knowing. Your audience will understand what shadow banning is. And maybe, right, the hidden tracking error stealing your affiliate earnings. For FTP fails and AI flags while your content is being penalized, how to build an unbreakable affiliate system. So I want a little bit more options. Specifically for this, I want it to be, okay, these 5 mistakes. So here, I actually don't like any of these because it's like too specific here, right? Here, I want to go over it'd be a list go about the 5 or 6, and maybe the AI didn't detect that. So I'm going to click here and generate, and let's see what other frames that it helps generate for me. So you can see here, immediately provides a problem solution listicle, right? The 5 invisible affiliate marketing mistakes silently killing your commissions and how to fix them, right? Educational breakdown of the practical application, right? 5 technical glitches, not quite it. 5 modern threats that you need to avoid, not quite it. So let's just say this is the best one. We click here, use this frame, and we can immediately go to the next section, right? Where it'll start generating titles. And if you already have a video title, like we did from the ideation chat, then you don't need this, but this comes up with a bunch of potential video ideas that you could use. And if you like any of these, you can use these as your certain titles you can A/B test with. But if not, you can skip the step and you can go to the next step, which is the thumbnail step. And immediately with one button, it will create a bunch of potential thumbnail ideas, right? You can see here some of these could be pretty good. A dramatic shot of a shocked, wide-eyed man staring at the laptop screen displaying a big red commission loss, warning with subtle glitch effects, and an affiliate link with a strike through across it. Mind find glass hovering over a dark social media post with the words shadow banned, stamped in bold red, ghostly icons of popular platforms faded in the background. So you can see some of these are actually pretty good. You can take some of these concepts and you can immediately give it to your thumbnail designer and he can turn it into real life. So let's say we like this specific concept and we can immediately go to generating the hook. And now we all know the hook is the most important part of any YouTube video because you need to grab attention in the first 30 seconds. So that's why there's a specific section just on hooks, because this tool will give you 10 different hooks and it is up to your discernment to pick what you think is the best possible one. So you can see here it immediately generates 10 potential hooks and you can read through each of these to see which you think is the best here. So if I'm just scrolling down here, I'm like, okay, here the most dangerous affiliate mistakes aren't what you're doing wrong, they're what you're not checking at all. So actually this is pretty good, right? So here it starts with a quote. When I first heard this from a network grab, I thought it was just scare tactics. Then I found 4,200 in lost commissions from errors I never knew to look for. This video contains the full audit protocol that uncovered my invisible mistakes. Implement these checks today and you'll know exactly where your affiliate business stands before problems cost you real money. So actually this is pretty good. I think this is a pretty optimized hook. So I can just check it here. If I want to edit, there's an edit option here, but this looks pretty good for now. So I can immediately go to start writing the payoffs. So here in this payoff section, right, we already outlined, okay, I want these 5 specific things that I want to talk about. And here I can choose what specific points that I want to add in my video. So here, what the hidden affiliate marketing mistakes are silently eating away your commissions. How can you tell your affiliate links are being shadow banned on social media platforms? So let me tick that. Or tracking errors are calling you to lose commission. Let's take that. Right, how do you identify and avoid promoting expired or outdated affiliate offers that waste your time? Let's take that. What AI content detection flags are reducing your reach and killing your conversions? Let's take that. How missing FTC disclosures trigger platform penalties that destroy your affiliate income? So let's take that. So these are basically the 5 mistakes that I outlined in my video topic. If you didn't outline in your video topic, give you a bunch of recommendations that you can choose from over here. But let's say we only want to talk about these 5. We can add more, you can add up to 9. But for the purposes of this video, I think 5 is enough, given it all of the research, and we can immediately go to the next step, which is draft. So here it says ready to write, right? We'll create your script outline. You can choose and generate just the outline or both the outline and full draft simultaneously. So here, this will generate the outline, which is the specific bullet points, but I don't really want to waste time. I want to generate the outline and the draft. So literally with this one button, it will fully write the entire script for me. So let's click here and let's see what it comes out with. So in just 2 minutes, we have a completely written draft. Here you can see the introduction, which I read beforehand, and then we can go here, right? The first point on shadow banned affiliate links, right? You can read this full thing. Ever posted affiliate links that got 0 clicks even when you had good engagement? Question mark. Here's what's actually happening. Platforms like Instagram and Facebook hide affiliate links they consider spammy, but they don't tell you about it. I'll show you 3 of my own posts right now that look normal in my feed, but were completely blocked from public view. The first one was a caption from this, right? Here's how to test if your links are shadow banned today, right? First, log out of your account or an incognito browser. Try searching for your post using exact keywords from the caption. If it doesn't appear in search results, your content is likely shadow banned. Second, third, blah, blah, blah. So you can see here, it's actually like pretty good and it's pretty beefy, 467 words for this specific point. Let's read this next other point to make sure that this is good. Let's say data offers. Here's what happens when you don't check your active offers often enough. I spent 2 full weeks creating content for a VPN affiliate program, blog posts, YouTube videos, social media posts. The traffic came, clicks registered, but my dashboard showed 0 commissions. The offer had been pulled without warning 3 days after I started promoting it. So you can see here, there's kind of the story lead over here, and it kind of gives you a sample story. Might not be the most accurate. Obviously, I don't know this guy's specific story, but you can take this and he can immediately modify it to an actual story. I'm sure he had some similar story to this. Right, merchants remove offers constantly for dozens of reasons: inventory issues, policy changes, even simple rebranding. Some networks remove up to 30% of their offers quarterly. 3 clear signs an offer is about to disappear: a merchant stops updating their affiliate communications, conversion rates drop sharply, or payout amounts get reduced without explanation, right? And you can see here, this is actually pretty optimized. So what you can kind of do from this stage, you can go back to the planning here and you can edit the structure of the video, or if you want, you can edit it manually just from here. You can literally do everything from within the app. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to check through the entire script, read it, and make sure all of the points are in place. And if that's good, we can immediately ship it. So here we can see here the hidden audit process. This isn't so important to me, so I can just click here. I can just delete it. And the conclusion, right? These hidden affiliate mistakes cost the average marketer $3,700 a year. Reminding your calendar, 15 minutes you spent today. So this one, I also don't really like the conclusion. So I can either edit it or I can just completely delete it. So yeah, so you can see here, I have the intro and these points. And once I'm done with this, I can either take the script and I can immediately ship it, or if I want it, I can immediately go to the next step, press edit, and literally it says here, your draft is done. Now let's make it better by reviewing and editing it. So if I press get feedback, they have an AI that literally looks at your scripts and will edit your script for you. It'll give you feedback and it'll edit your script for you, just like you would as a human being. So instead of me just reading through the whole script manually, I don't have time for that. I can use this and I can generate the feedback. So let's see what it says. So here you can see it has suggestions, right? The draft has a strong problem solution structure and compelling real world example, but it leans too heavily on unsupported statistics, technical detail overload, and repetitive phrasing, right? And it immediately solves for that. So this is the original word count that it had, and then there's a rewritten word count, and then you can see the edits here, right? For each section. So it looks at each section and it looks at each chunk and it rewrites it based on that, right? It says the opening hook is strong, but could be more specific about what viewers will learn. Consider adding a brief emotional payoff after the hook. So you can see here, right? You rewrote it as the most dangerous affiliate mistakes aren't what you're doing right now, and it rewrote it as this, right? When I first heard that from a network rep, I thought it was just scare tactics, but then I found 4,200 in lost commissions from things like shadow ban links and tracking pixels that quietly broke without warning. Imagine finding thousands of dollars you never knew you earned just because you finally spotted these hidden mistakes. In this video, I'm sharing the full audit protocol that helped me uncover these invisible errors. You'll see exactly how to check your own affiliate setup for silent problems before they cost you real money. If you're serious about recovering every dollar, hit subscribe so you don't miss these fixes. Let's start with one of the most common issues that can wipe out your commissions without you even knowing. So you can see here, there's a good curiosity gap here. And if you can see here, there's a good curiosity gap here. And if you like the rewritten version, you can just click here, accept here. I think it's pretty good, right? So here we can accept the rewritten version, and you can do the exact same for every other point after. So you can just read through the rewrite. If you think it's better, you can accept the changes. So let's say I like all of the changes here. I can click apply all edits, and here it will just have a rewritten the entire thing completely, and you can read through this to see if you like it. And there you go. Now you have a full script fully written. All you have to do is click export, and you can download the script, and bang, you have a script completely written in literally less than 10 minutes just by pressing a couple buttons, literally all within one app. You can do the research, ideation, and writing the actual script all within one app. Here you have the introduction, the shadow ban links, tracking errors, dead offers wasting your time, AI content detection flags, missing FTC disclosures. You can literally do this for any random niche. I just picked a random niche and wrote a full script for it without having much knowledge of it. You just need to be able to look for the right research, be able to do the ideation accurately with the ideation chatbot. And if you press a couple buttons and you kind of know what a good script looks like, then you'll be able to create something just out of thin air like this. And that's how you use Subscriber AI to write a script in 10 minutes for literally any niche out there. You can try this out for your own channel and write your first script in literally the next 10 minutes with Subscriber AI. Just click the link in the description below to check it out. But before you're able to fully write a script of AI, you need to understand how to use AI to come up with viral video ideas on autopilot. Click here to learn how to generate your next 10 video ideas with the click of a couple buttons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.